Tess. We're in the house. We gotta go get your babies, but I'll just say, here you are. Here's Tesla. Here's Maddie. That's Tesla's mom, Maddie. Yeah, that's Maddie. Hi, Mad. What you doing? And Tesla. And that's Sophie. Here, Tess, let's go get your kids. Here we go. And there's the babies. They're all spread out in a row. Oh. But there they are. They are so fat, Mary. They just sleep and eat and sleep and eat and sleep and eat. And there they are. I can't get a good view. There. Anyhow, there they are. Mommy, I gotta help her. So can you get them, Tess? There's their scale I weigh them on. Yeah. Because you're a good mama, huh? Yeah. He's coming. You can see what's going to happen here. It's so tempting, but I have to let them kind of find mommy. Who is that? That's Blue Girl. I think. Yeah, that's Blue Girl. I don't know if any are going to be like Tesla. I think it's really hard to say, but it looks like they're all going to look like Frankie from right now. To be the lighter color, but we won't know until later. And that's their heating pad, so they can go either be hot or cold. If they get chilled, then they go on the heating pad, if you're wondering what that is. The pink pad. It's got a cover on it. And there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got them all. And that's Yellow Boy, so I'm trying to find, who's this? There. That's Red Girl. Here you are. And Pink Girl. And then I think Blue Girl is the one that's, where did she go? I think she's who actually Tesla's licking right now. But that's Tesla. Probably won't do much good because this is all you're going to see if we do a video chat. She's just going to be in here cleaning, but so maybe you don't need to call. Maybe you can just kind of take it off of this, but that's Tesla. Good girl, Tess. They are so out. You can see how chubby they are. Look at this. You chubby tummy. Yeah, it is. I've been playing with the girls, though. Well, all of them, but they're getting super friendly. They like to have kisses and hugs. Yeah. Don't you already? You're getting to be so big. Here we go. But I hope that helps, but you've probably seen her on the other videos anyhow, but that's Tesla. I'll shoot it over to you now. You take care. Bye, Mary.